Hey crafty friends, this is Tracy. In today's Fake It to Make It video, I'm going to show you how to use what you already own to fake the wax seal dies that are out. I am using two sets of nesting circles. These happen to be very old from Spellbinders, and we're just going to do some die cutting. I have some blue cardstock. I'm going to take the largest of the two circles that I have and cut that out twice. Basically, we're going to end up with a base, a frame, and a freehand cut piece. Now we're going to take that smaller circle and cut that once here. We'll circle back to that piece in a minute. And then we're going to take one of the larger circles we cut, put the smaller circle on top, die cut that, which gives us a frame. Circling back to the smaller circle that we cut there, we're just going to use that and freehand cut around it. I'm basically doing like a very wavy scalloped kind of look, which gives us our smooshed wax appearance. And then it's a matter of assembling. We have our base, we glue on this frame, and then we're going to glue on the third piece. I like to offset that one slightly so you can see the frame underneath it. Give some added interest and dimension there. For the center, I'm going to use a tiny heart die that I have and cut that out of the same colored cardstock. If you've seen these faux wax sealed dies out, you'll know that if you have another tiny die, this is a great way to showcase it. Like a star, heart, butterfly, little envelope, anything you have would be great. I'm going to show you how to do this again. So I have a different color blue cardstock. I'm going to cut that largest of the two circles twice. And then I'm going to take one of those circles, use the smaller die to cut it. That gives us our frame piece. And then we're going to take that smaller circle, cut it again. So basically we're using each circle die twice. We're going to take the piece that we just cut and freehand around it. That gives us the base, a frame, and then our cut piece. And then we just glue them together. The base layer, then we add the frame, and then we add the cut piece. You could probably skip this middle layer, but I think it adds a lot of interest, especially on a lighter colored cardstock. If you put glossy accents on these, or maybe even a shimmer paste, it would really pick up and make it look a bit more like wax. But I think these look great the way they are. Just look at how awesome those are. And we only used 3 dies. Now we're going to take those and make a card. I have an A2 card panel in white cardstock, a piece that I have embossed, which is a little bit smaller than 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then I have our sentiment stamped on black cardstock. I'm using white detailed embossing powder, and I'm going to heat set that. And then it's just a matter of assembling our card. I have the card base. I'm going to add that embossed panel and then glue on the wax seal dies that we just made. Pop the sentiment up and we will be done. If you're not familiar with my Fake It Then Make It series, this is where I use items from my stash to get a similar look to what's popular right now. Helps me keep using my old supplies, and it saves me money. And I think it's a lot of fun. I really hope you liked this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you a lot more videos like this. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Do good, be good, and go Bills.